my name is Miss Emma, and today we're learning about how to create a number plane in Python. And I talked about number planes in a math video, so I'll put that in the link in the description down below. So let's make a library slash package. This is called a library slash package. But I also made a video about these packages, so you can go check that out in the link in the description down below. Okay, so we're supposed to put mat. Mat is short for math, and plotlib. Plot is basically plotting numbers, and lib is basically a short for library. So import. We're importing matplotlib dot py plot as p. Now let's put xlist, and then let's put this. Let's put 0, 1, 2, 3. And I used these numbers for the previous video, so that's why I put these numbers. Let's put ylist. Then let's put 2, 4, wait, no, not 4. Please put 3 actually. And then 5, there we go. So these two match, 0 and 2, 1 and 3 match, 2 and 4 match, 3 and 5 match. Now let's put p dot plot, I believe. And then just put this and put xlist, ylist. And then the last comma, let's put R and O. And you can also change this to, or actually, wait, I'll show you later. Hang on. Oops, that's better. Now that's happened, you have to wait for it to load. Okay, now that it gave us that, but it's too big. So let me show you a little trick on how to make it. Just click this button. And let's make this a little bit smaller. Okay, that's good. Now that we got that, if you want to connect the lines, just do this. Let's connect them. They're over here actually. So now that we got this, let's click this button. And also you can change this to green and blue. That's all the colors I know right now. And if you wanted X's, just change this to X. And also if you put 2 dashes, it makes it double dashed. Okay, let me make this bigger. Okay, see? It made it X's. Thank you for watching my video. If you're more interested in content like this, just like and subscribe. Bye!